I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're having trouble with payments on the DoorDash app, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check your payment method. Open the DoorDash app and navigate to your account settings. Ensure that your payment method is valid and up to date. Sometimes, expired cards can lead to payment issues. Step 2. Update your app. Make sure your DoorDash app is updated to the latest version. An outdated app can cause various glitches, including payment issues. Go to your device's app store to check for updates. Step 3. Clear app cache. If the problem persists, try clearing the app cache. On Android, go to Settings, add Storage, Clear Cache. This can help fix temporary bugs that might be affecting payments. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve underlying issues. Turn off your device completely and then turn it back on. This can refresh the app and its connection to the payment system. Step 5. Contact DoorDash support. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the issue.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline, calculate and confirm your deadline. I hope these steps help you get back to ordering your favorite meals without any hassle.